Well, wind gusts at this hour closer to the coastline there against at Buzzards Bay in that 30 to 35 to 40 mile per hour range. Any gusts like 50, 55 are going to wait until the overnight hours into the pre-dawn. But, you know, the wind certainly nothing shy here down in Newport. It's blowing close to 40 miles per hour. And gusts unusually mild, 61 degrees for a November evening. And the winds are initially southwest. That's the mild wind direction. Once the cold front comes through in the next couple of hours, the temperatures will tumble back into the 40s by daybreak, and the wind will get even stronger behind the cold front. Temps now in the lower 60s in many areas, cooler to the north and west, and that cooler air headed our way. So as warm as it is right now, we'll wake up to about 43 degrees by early tomorrow morning. Next roughly 2 to 3 hours, a few showers or a downpour, slight chance of a thunderstorm with the approach of the cold front next hour or two. Stronger wind gusts are going to be reserved for the overnight, kind of while we're sleeping, pre-dawn, gusting anywhere from 50 to 60. I think any gust to 60 are going to be reserved for the islands, Block Island, Nantucket, and Martha's Vineyard. Winds diminish by tomorrow afternoon, though it is quite windy early tomorrow morning. And again, overnight with these wind gusts, there may be some scattered power outages. Still looking at some precipitation for part, not all, but part of the upcoming weekend. Showers coming through right now, along with a few downpours. This is all associated with a cold front, which is just to our north and west, passing through Worcester right now. As the front comes through next hour or two, a shower or a downpour. As the front moves offshore, it turns cooler, and the wind starts to ramp up during the overnight hours. As we get in close, you see that precipitation on top of us right now, and that'll be coming through and then moving offshore by, I would say, 1 in the morning. So really not one, but 2 cold fronts. Each one will just reinforce some wind and cooler temperatures. So we're quite windy overnight. Even early tomorrow morning, the wind is rather strong, though it does diminish during the afternoon. Now, tomorrow's a sunny, it's a dry day, but very windy during the early morning. Winds diminish in the afternoon. Temperatures, low to mid 50s. It'll be a cooler day. We're clear, dry, less wind for tomorrow evening, tomorrow night. Friday day looks pretty good. This is Friday afternoon with a mix of clouds and sun in the mid 50s. We'll get some showers later on Friday night. Now, that wet weather does spill over into early on Saturday morning, but watch what happens the second half of the day. By Saturday afternoon, showers are moving offshore. A little brightening by Saturday afternoon and evening, and very mild, upper 50s to around 60. So Saturday's a half and half day. The afternoon looks better. Very windy early tomorrow morning, but even by late morning, the wind is diminishing a little bit. Plenty of sunshine. It's a dry day. There's no precipitation. Winds continue to diminish during the afternoon. Temperatures topping out between about 50 and 55. Storm warning right now for the Bay. It gets downgraded to a gale warning, meaning it's still very windy tomorrow, especially during the early morning hours. All right, 7-day forecast. Bright sunshine tomorrow and dry. Strong wind gusts towards daybreak. Could be some lingering, albeit scattered, power outages early in the morning in some communities. Friday day looking okay. Showers Friday night, Saturday morning. Clears out Saturday afternoon. Sunday, the showers return, especially Sunday afternoon, but quite windy overnight through daybreak tomorrow.
I hear it howling outside your window.
Yeah.
All right, Tony, thank you. Coming up next.